Hi friends, I'm Brian Cosby. This is Provide and Protect, and today we are applying this Rain-X headlight restoration kit on my 2011 F-150. So let's get into it. So over time, most car or truck headlights, at least the cover on the outside, develops this kind of grime that's really hard to get off. And I've done this before, but I've never used this kind of kit. And I say that because this kit, you have to have some kind of drill to put on these attachments right here, and it comes with the attachment. And so we will go ahead and try this out. So this kit here, it comes with a drill attachment, a 1500 grade sanding disc, 3200 grade, 4000 grade. It has a polishing pad here, a buffing polish, and a sealant wipe. So, oh, and gloves. So if you need gloves, there you have it. So go ahead and get this onto the truck. They say I should put some kind of painter's tape or masking tape around this. I'm just going to be really careful, so I'm not going to use the tape today. So we're starting with the brown, light to medium pressure. Now we got the 3200 grit, spray it, and then do this again. Now we got the 4000 grit, and we're going to repeat the process with this. So next we're going to put some of this polish onto the polishing pad that the kit comes with, and do this several times, and then we'll see what it looks like. So it definitely splattered a little bit around the edges here. That's okay. We'll clean it off. So next we're going to add this protectant sealant wipe. There we go. Well, this is looking so much better now. And it says that we shouldn't touch this after you put the sealant on for another hour, and then another 8 hours before you have rain or you go through a car wash or something like that. So we're going to just kind of hang out, let it sit, and then we will check it in about an hour, make sure it looks good. So now that we've done one, we're just going to repeat the process for the other one. Man, look at this. So much better. A lot clearer. The other side too. Oh yeah, so much better. The one negative is when you're putting the polish on, it really splatters everywhere. You can see it here, and it doesn't come off very easily. So I'll have to take this to the car wash or wash it myself or whatever, but you can kind of see the splatter on there, and it's on there. So I'll have to wash that off. And I didn't put too much on there. I kind of spread it out like it said to, but even still, it'll splatter. So that's the one negative to this process, and not just doing it by hand, is just all the splatter that is on here. So we will have to deal with that later. Well, thanks so much for joining me today. Hope this has been helpful for you. If you've not already done so, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate you and your support, and we'll see you on the next video.